Hello guys, and welcome to my HTML and CSS video tutorial. In this video tutorial I will be teaching you these two technologies. HTML and CSS are two different technologies and each of them has their separate purpose for in web development. And we will start with HTML so we understand how to create HTML tags, how to create HTML elements, and then we will follow with CSS. And at the end of this video series, I will have this video series and you can find link to all these video series under this video, and you can watch all videos of this tutorial just in case you found this video somewhere on YouTube and you would like to continue watching this video series. And we will start by learning HTML tags, and then we will continue by learning CSS and how to apply CSS to those HTML tags to style. But before we start, I would like to introduce you to some environment, or I would like to tell you about environment, what we will need in this video series. It's actually so hard, guys, to talk and record. Okay, don't mind me. Okay, and here is Notepad++, and this is what I will be using in this video series. And under this video I will leave a link where I have created video and you can learn how you can download this Notepad++ to your computer, and we will be using it. You could use basically any text editor, but this text editor is more advanced, and for Windows users you can use Notepad++. If you are using Mac computers or for example some Linux installation you have on your computer, then you could go for Sublime Text. That's another text editor which is very good, and you could follow this video series with that text editor as well, because it doesn't really matter which text editor you are using, because on any text editor we can create websites and work with HTML, CSS and JavaScript on local environment. Or any prior knowledge, because I will be from the very basics up so you can understand everything in smallest detail. And if you have any questions, just leave them under these videos or under any video, because on my channel I see straight away that someone has left a comment, so I check my comments and reply them daily. So yes, this is Notepad++, find link under this video. You can follow this video series, and in next video we are starting to code and I will start to explain HTML. And like I mentioned before, after these videos you will be able to code in HTML and CSS, and I can promise you that because I will be going through everything. And like in my introduction videos, in my vlog, if you have watched my vlog introduction videos, I have told you already before that to learn technology you should learn it from the very scratch and go up to the top level, so you understand what exactly is in that technology. And I will be covering pretty much everything about HTML, and about CSS. So as I will be covering HTML5 and CSS3. Those are just latest versions of HTML and CSS, but HTML and CSS is the same as HTML5 and CSS3. Only HTML5 and CSS3 has more tags, and these are the latest versions of this HTML and CSS technologies. So if you are interested, then subscribe, watch my videos, and see you in next video, and let's start coding.